like, hey guys, I'm with Shay again. And then there's other friends behind the camera that are taking videos of us. So there's friends behind taking videos of us because today we are going to belch. We're going to drink this whole can of soda and then burp as loud or as fast as, or I know. Okay, well, just, okay, ready, go. No, I'm not ready. I'm not going to chug it because I'm can't. We're not going to chug it because we can't. We physically can't do that. Hope I don't throw up. Oh goodness, I already feel one coming on.
Oh goodness.
Riley, shut up. I'm leaving room here so I can spit. Okay, I'm in room 2. They're gonna be our judges.
Ew.
Okay, I think that's all for me. Shake it back in, burp.
It's not my booby. Like, what's up? Just need crotch punch.
Belch. Pat my back, Riley, like you did in 5th grade. Oh, don't slap it. Just spit everywhere.
Cheat.
What? She said.
Oh, shit. Jeff.
Am I allowed to belch again? Come on. We're waiting for you. I'm sorry. Gotta keep this entertaining.
For who?
Riley, come here. Come here, Riley. No? Yeah, come here. No? Okay, you guys are lazy.
Hey, don't ruin our chillness, man.
Chillness, man. Okay, okay, never mind. I won't turn the camera around. Okay, yeah, I will. That's Riley. Hannah and Riley.
Not a Riley. Which one?
The one that's sitting up straight is Riley, and the one that said which one is Hannah.
Which one?
The one with her hair down. We're doing business. We're trying to belch.
Hannah, Freddy said we can kill Benjamin.
I don't have a knife.
Are you ready?
Though.
Are you getting belch? Come on.
My name's Jeff.
Jeff is dead.
You're dead.
Your face is dead. I've been saying that you all week, and you haven't gotten that yet.
He's not dead. You're rude.
Rude. Come on, you're gonna drink the entire can without burping. Because I'm on camera, I can't do it. Oh my gosh. Fine. Now do it. Go.
Come on, burp
Okay.
already.
Nothing will work.
Is this like a contest to see who'll win?
Yes. You guys the
You
judges.
burp first.
I know, but we have to do which belch is the loudest. We're having a belching contest, and we're taking a video.
Can't burp and my stomach hurts.
Freddie will win.
My cousin.
I can't burp.
Oh, well, you poor baby. I went by default.
Try harder. You could like push on her stomach, but she'll. That wasn't a burp.
Oh my gosh, you're gonna break my camera.
Your tablet?
Whatever.
Oh god, I pee my pants.
Gotta stand up. Wait.
Why is my nostril?
Usually if I walk around, I burp. Not even kidding. Like I lay down.
I'm only gonna get in a drink.
I just gotta.
Well, I hope you guys can like listen to her burp. So.
Riley, come with me. What?
Bye, Riley. Bye, Han. You. Oh my gosh. Are you ready? Are you gonna burp? Oh my gosh! I win! Mine was bigger. Mine was louder. Mine was bigger and longer and fatter. And fatter. won?
I win.
Shut up. Who wins?
I need to process this.
You know, we'll just replay the video and see who wins.
Man. But I was over there when you were right here.
So
So there's gonna be a volume
mine
difference.
was longer anyways.
It's not longer. Oh my goodness.
Yes, it was. It was. Finally.
No, one of us has to win, and it's gonna be me.
It's gonna be me.